kind of sticky. So look.
Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count it, we back. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count it, we back. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah.
What the business is, YRBN? It's your boy JAYMOOLA, and I'm back with another lit banger, you hear me? As y'all can see by the title of this video, we finna go dumb, you hear me? Yeah. I know your boy ain't been dropping, you know, like I supposed to, you know what I'm saying? But hey, life been hitting me hard, you know? But look, let's cut the small talk. We back now, you hear me? And I'm gonna keep giving y'all this lit content, you hear me? So look. Check this out. Before we get into this video, you know what you gotta do. Hit that like button. You're new to the channel. Subscribe to your boy channel. Yeah, turn on your notification bell so you know when I'm dropping the lit bangers. Yeah. But look, check me out. As y'all can see by the title of the video, today we finna make these stuffed cotton candy pickles. Ooh. Ooh, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Man, make sure y'all hit the like button, man. If you like sweets, you hear me? And make sure y'all tag, you know, make sure y'all tag K, you know what I'm saying? K that be doing the reviews, I gotta tag K, you know what I'm saying? So K can do a review to this, you know what I'm saying? She ain't never did no review to this, you feel me? K, fuck with your boy, you hear me? And if y'all try this, y'all make sure y'all, you know, give credit where it's due, you hear me? So, you know what I'm saying? Don't be, just give credit where it's due, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna put y'all on game today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, come on, let the people see it again. Yeah, y'all see, we got pop rocks, you know what I'm saying? Look, we got the cotton candy. This is the cotton candy we're gonna use today. You feel me? It's the cotton candy. Fruit roll-ups. You dig? We got the gushers. Got the gushers. You know, Starburst. Airhead. Skittles. Sweet Tart. And you know. You feel me? Like, these the best candies, you know? And these the pickles. These the pickles we're gonna be using. Hot and spicy flavor. Yeah, I'm putting y'all on game. Hot and spicy flavor. Look, I'm putting y'all on game. So look. If y'all try this at home, y'all got to shout your boy out. Y'all gotta shout me out, man. So look, man. With that being said, you feel me? Shit. Let's get straight into this shit, motherfucking me. You ain't it. Moolah.
Why is everything chrome?
Light up. Everything is chrome in the future. I'm smoking that Zaza. Young nigga came up from Dada. Little nigga, I'm too fly. I'm hotter than some high fries. I got the Glock, I know I'm no waste. Try to me, I'm shoot you in face. I got some young niggas that don't play. That's about what you supposed to say. Once in the trap, they hard all day. The people come, I know I jump a gate. Know they gun up in the lake. Don't trust niggas cause they snakes. Don't trust bitches cause they fake. In my whip, but weed in the gate. Know I'm crispy like some lace. Shout out to the whole gang. Boy, you know I'm from the block. Boy, you know I keep a Glock. Cut that hoe and she a thought. She eat the dick non-stop. Sell pussy and get paid. You get thirsty, drink lemonade. 3.5 to start my day. Well, my light, I need my flame. Not rigid, it's propane. I blow more smoke than a train. I get money, I get paid. I smoke more than Taylor Gang. Do the dash in my own lane. Going big, you know the vibe. Smoking good, we up the brain. smoking that Zaza. Young nigga came up from Dada. Nigga, I'm too fly. I'm hotter than some hot fries. I got the Glock on the arm, no waist. Try to run me, I'm shoot you in your face. I got some young niggas that don't play. That's what you supposed to say. Smoking that Zaza. Young nigga came up from Dada. Nigga, I'm too fly. I'm hotter than some hot fries. I got the Glock on the arm, no waist. Try to run me, I'm shoot you in your face. I got some young niggas that don't play. That's what you supposed to say. I'm smoking that Zaza. Young nigga came up from Dada. Nigga, I'm too fly. I'm hotter than some hot fries. I got the Glock on the arm, no waist. Try to run me, I'm shoot you in your face. I got some young niggas that don't play. That's what you supposed to say.
All right, you guys. About to go on. Put our layers of cotton candy. Let me show y'all. It's kind of sticky. So look. They ain't come out like got them. Oh well. And there you have it. Cotton candy, stuffed candy, pickles. Now it's time to eat. Let's try.
Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah.